All right, y'all, so we got one of these dryers that screams at us every single time it gets done. We are going to turn that off. So first thing you want to do is unplug it, get it unplugged from the wall. Then you're going to come back here and you're going to get a quarter inch wrench, socket, whatever you got. And you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little nuts to take off. Bolts, not nuts. Take those off and slide this up, and then this panel can just hang there. Now what you're going to see is a few different boxes, timers, setting, start, stop. This little guy right here, this is the actual buzzer. So what you can do is you can follow this black cord all the way over here where it plugs into the timer, disconnect that, and from there, no more buzzing. If you ever want to plug it back in, it's very easy. Just plug it back into the socket, put the back on, you're good to go.